3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is video number 3 in the series of our Exit 5A to Castle Rock and Chester ride. It was an awesome ride. Can't say enough good about it. Definitely will do it again. On this video we start, as you can see here, off climbing to the top of Castle Rock. Beautiful view from the top up there. Definitely worth a 2 minute or 1 minute, whatever it was, trek to the top. We left there. We did a really technical, rocky, and in some sections really steep trail. Definitely fun, definitely challenging. So if you're not up to that sort of thing, then I would not recommend going in that far on the ATV. Just park a little further out and walking in. From there we left and headed to Chester, where we gassed up, and then we took the trails pretty much right back to the vehicles, just because of timing and wanting to get back at a reasonable hour. That said, this video still has a lot of really nice riding, really nice scenery, some real technical stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. And again, shout out to Brute Force Explorer, who tagged along on this ride, and Mrs. Brute Force Explorer, and definitely check out his YouTube channel as well.
Prefer to call it a hit. We enjoyed it. Definitely a place to come back and have a look. Yeah, let's go that way. Rock it.
Those were famous last words, as this trail becomes really technical really soon.
See what's down here. The number 2 trail, I guess. There you go, keep right. There you go, keep right. They're good. Back there too. I was going to back up and go in a little side trail there and get some video, but the rider too close to the back of me. Slowly, slow. Good job, nice. There you go. Bob, move my bike ahead. Beauty. Yeah.
Right there I realized this might be a little more than it looked, so I got off and had a closer look, and it was really steep. The GoPro camera never does it justice, and just to the front of Bob's bike there, to the front of his front left tire, there's a fairly big rock, and that drops you down even straight or even more steep. And I would suspect if we had went over that, then it would have been a bike flipping over, and that's the last thing we want on this ride.
I don't know about this one. She's steep. Hold on a second, Bob. Hold on. I'd say get off. Hey? You want to get off? Get off and walk it down? Hold on, I'll get on the other side. We might have to turn those around here. This is kind of sketchy. Or did we want to winch her back up? I don't think we're going to get everyone down here without having an accident of some sort. Like if you came over here too, you probably get there.
Is it bad?
It's a good drop off there.
Oh.
I think you're gonna.
So what do you want to do? Winch him back?
I'd say it'd be safer. Either you back it up here and try and come around, or we winch you right back. You gonna go back? Okay, hold on. I'll get up there and get my. You keep it right there. I'll get up and get my winch set up here. I'm gonna turn around. It's like straight up there. Got it? He won't get up there.
I'm on free spool there. Give me that blue strap there.
Lock that, is it locked? You're hard getting that out. It's steep down like that, and then when you get halfway down, there's a rock, and it's like, so it's not worth risking getting all the bikes down there. We might have, don't want someone going over the handlebars here.
Do we know what's on the other side?
Where we came in. So we go back that way and we go out the way we came in. It's a sketchy. Like I said, just in front of Bob's bike there's like a bit of a rock about this size, and it just sort of drops down. So you go like this, you're going down like this, and then it's like
Yeah,
And especially these short bikes, right?
yeah.
The longer bikes not as bad.
Want me to hold on to your bike?
Lock that?
You should get off the bike too.
Why?
Well, it's just lighter for you.
Now I need to get back too. Like I need to get back further than this. Unhook it for a second. I'm just gonna back up so he's got room to get right up on the hill here.
Just 1 second, hold on.
Okay, let's go. Someone want to get to push his bike? Let's go. Mitch, you want to keep some tension on that so I can wheel it in? Okay, he's good.
Go ahead. Got a little bit more. 6 inches. Or
Good.
watch my hand. A little bit more. 1 inch. A little more. That's 6 inches. I should start doing more.
That's what it sounded like. Gotta edit that out. There's a branch.
So we did find another way around that steep, sketchy section and didn't have to go all the way back around. It was still pretty technical, and there's one section here that's got some rocks that's kind of steep that throws your bike rear end up pretty hard as you go over it, but we all got down safely, so that was the main thing, and saved us from making a loop all the way back. It's all good.
Easy peasy. What's going on? Try and sort of run it over that way if you can. Yeah. Slow. Come this way. Now that way. So you go straight a little bit and slowly.
It's gonna go up that rock a little bit, then it's gonna fall. Okay, keep going.
Really slowly. Hands on the brakes. You ease it down there.
Nice and easy. You're at the rock now. You're gonna go over the mountain. Yeah, that's it. Nice and straight now. Good job. Good job. I take my jacket. Yeah, that's not a good angle there. I went up at the rear end, came right up.
I'm thinking run straight over it. Slowly, hands on the brakes. As slow as you can go, keep your hand on the brake and just sort of let it go a little bit at a time. Slow, slow, slow. There we go. Oh. Like 5 more back there. What's that?
How far back does this go?
If you just go up here to the end here, you turn right, it takes you up to that Castle Rock they call up there. It's pretty cool up there.
How far is it?
A couple kilometers.
Okay.
If you go up there, there's 2 trails. One is like a little castle on it. One is number 1, the other one's number 2. Take number 1 in and number 1 out. Number 2 is like got a rock like that. You won't get over with your side by side.
Oh.
Like you'll beat it up. Not that it's any worse, it's just the way the trail is. I mean, it's like this.
So take number 1.
Yeah, number 1 in, and even that one is pretty tight and rocky.
Okay.
It's cool up there though.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. There now. Look at the water.
Here we're taking an unscheduled break to take care of an overheating brute force as it was trying to keep up with the Can-Am Outlander.
Thanks. They got cameras. What? They got cameras. Yeah.
ride, man.
Ride, man. It was
Good
the
day.
best rides I ever fucking had.
Awesome. Good to hear.
It was, I had a really, really good time. Lisa did too.
Yeah, awesome.
Thank you very much.
That's pretty much how our rides go. Like I said, there's a plan until there is no plan.
You know what? I had the time of my life today.
That was a good ride.
I needed this.
Yeah.
I needed this.
Yeah, good to hear. Do it again for sure.
Yeah, if I could get that at least that water flash off you.
Just send me a message, remind me, because I'll forget.
All right, I'll let you know.
All right, buddy. Have a good one.
Thanks again.
Always nice to hear when someone new joins our group for a ride that they had a great time. And as you heard Brute Force Explorer say, one of the best rides he's ever had. So I call that a success.
All right, have a good one, guys.